the Bumblebee. One thing's trying to hold on. Trying to drive and film a Bumblebee at the same time. Kind of hard. The Bumblebee, he's holding on. Don't let go, Bumblebee. Don't let go. You can make it. We only got 2 more miles to go. Hold on, buddy. Hold on, buddy. You can make it. Don't let go. You're gonna make it. I have faith in you. Hopefully I don't pass any cops driving with my phone up against the dash. Lost the Bumblebee. There he is. He's trying to get up under the hood. Sorry about the camera being shaky. I'm trying to steady my hand while driving. It's hard to freehand a video while you're driving around big curves. Somebody calling, gotta end the video.